Alright, so welcome back. What I've started doing here is add another piece of a jar, or that jar that I made that I wasn't using, and I've just sanded it off. And what I'm gonna do is try to lay it out and make a little cup or a shot glass out of it or something. I figured that'd be a pretty cool little thing to do. But anyways, I'm gonna finish up this sanding, and I'll get to you whenever I get it on the lathe and or on the chuck, and I'll start actually boring out the inside. Okay, I've finished sanding it. What I'm gonna do now is take and put this chuck right here, pull this off, that whole 9 yards, and then yeah, I'll be back with you.